Hi guys, welcome to our world. And today we are going to make a bloody plate, ribbon, and some fabric dimensional tape. And I also have some of them have glitters and a normal red, and some wax paper. Let's start it. I have to measure my neck. I actually don't know how my neck is, so my mom's going to help me. My neck is about 9. I'm going to do a 9-inch choker. We have to shake the pin. Oops. I'm going to draw a straight line. Ooh, so big. This was a little bit small. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. That. I'm going to make the running blood. Ooh, this was a big one. I will make it a little bit longer. Maybe. Oops, pop out. Sprinkle a little bit of glitter. So much. Cool. Then we put a little bit more. Ooh, this was too much. Hey, this was some more hand. I'm gonna go put some black. Oh, this is too much of black I got. Some black, a little bit. Wait, so a little bit. I'm gonna just get that. Done. I'm a mess, I'm a loser, and I'm a mess. Now we are going to leave this to dry for a few more hours. See you in a bit. I have to wish this kicked off. I will see you next time. Bye. Hi guys, we are back. And I think my blood vessels is dry. Now we are going to take it off. We feel very gentle. Yeah. Okay, that guys, it's like this. I don't actually love chokers. Actually, so I want it to be like a necklace. Ooh, I love necklace. To put ribbon at the end of that stuff. At the end of the necklace. It's actually a chocolate. Okay. Can you make a line? Cut wherever I want. So hard for this one. Going to stick it. We don't need any. Okay. So this looks like a necklace actually. It looks like a necklace around my neck. Look at that. It looks like real blood, but look at this, so pretty tata. Well guys, happy Halloween. If you want something like this, subscribe my channel more, and there will be more. Thumbs up. Mwah.